crybaby over here, well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not-so-average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sharon.
They call me Jack.
And welcome back to our channel where, of course, you're going to hear some not-so-average financial tips that help fix that broke millionaire mindset. What?
Man, I'm tired of standing in the same old position.
Some of you have asked the question, what is a broke millionaire mindset? That's someone who wants better but won't do better. You're a millionaire in your mind, but in your overall activities and the way that you conduct your everyday life,
stuck in mediocrity.
So you have a broke millionaire mindset. So now we know. And so we will be back. Oh, you know what? Before I forget, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us, please. Give us a thumbs up. And we will be back with financial tip number 6. Financial tip number 6. If you are attempting to grow that bank account of yours, let me tell you what you've got to do. You have to fake it.
Hey, yo.
Until you make it. Fake it.
Hey, yo.
Until you make it. You heard me. Fake it.
Hey, yo.
Until you make it. I cannot tell you how many people that I have pissed off in the past because they thought that I physically had more than I really did. That's how well I faked the funk.
Hello.
Okay, that's something my husband always says, faking the funk. So that's what I did. They believed that I had more than what I really had in the physical aspect. And when I say the physical aspect, what I mean by that,
what are you talking about?
When you put something out there in your mind, when you behave a certain way, the universe will mirror that. Okay, so those things that I pretended to have, I really did have in the universe out there. I just didn't have it, or I did not hold it in my hand physically. I had to catch up to it. And I did.
This will change your life.
And what the trip is about this whole
here we go
faking it until you make it, guys, is that not only is it you putting that out there, but those who believe that you've got it going on because of what they see and perceive in their own minds, that they're also putting that out in the universe. I believe in the universal law of attraction. Okay? Look that up. If you've never studied that before, you really need to look that up and learn more about what the universal law of attraction is. That is likened unto itself is drawn, and really what that really means is what you think about, you bring about. Okay? So not only was I putting it out there, but the haters, and we talked about the haters in video number 3. Go back and watch that, okay? But not only was I putting it out there in the universe, they were too, because they believed that I had more than what I had because I faked the funk, okay, so well that it had to happen. And it did happen. And so now that I have what I had projected in my hands, or I'm seeing it in reality now, I'd like to give a special thank you to all the assholes who hated me and still hate because I made
I see ugly, jealous people.
Funk a reality. I faked the funk until I realized the funk. I gotta get a better word than that. I love my husband, but that ain't gonna work, faking the funk.
Man, please.
Okay. Anywho. I'd like to give a special thank you to the assholes.
Oops.
Who was there for me. Putting in that energy. Putting it out there in the universe on my behalf.
You stepping on some toes now. How do the bunions feel?
Alright, so what I want you guys to do, what I want you to take from this is if there is a thing that you desire, a particular lifestyle, or anything, really anything, you have to believe before you can receive. All right? Man, that's profound. Believe before you receive. I just made that up. Oh, so
Help him, Lord.
Change the way that you think and act as though it has already occurred. Act as though you have that bank account that you want to have. You have these other things that you desire. Act as though they already exist. Okay? Anyways, I always want to leave you at least with an opportunity to improve your lifestyle. So do me a favor, go ahead and click on that link in the description box below, and it'll take you to a video that
it's free,
that is going to provide you with more information on whether it is you want to grow your own current business or begin a new one. There are opportunities out there. I just want to present you with one. You can take it or reject it. It does not matter. That's just something that I want to go ahead and give to you. It's a free video.
Did y'all hit subscribe yet?
And look into that. Really, it could change your life. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please smash the subscribe button now, please. Okay. Give us a thumbs up and please leave us comments. We would love to address any questions that you may have, concerns or likes or dislikes. Anywho, we will see you on the next video. Thanks.